Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show you a Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm and Xiaomi Watch S4. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two watches come with 518 water grade. Display features. Xiaomi Watch S4 comes with 1.43 inches AMOLED display, and the Watch S4 41mm comes with 1.32 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Xiaomi Watch S4 comes with up to 15 days of battery life, and the Watch S4 41mm comes with 8 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.